get some really special engines on EDAY. Stay tuned for that. We're gonna go over by the Magic Wing crossing, going to see the Amtrak Vermonter flying through. Stay tuned for EDAY. I mean, look at this. Look at those two engines right there. I forget what's called. There's the camouflage and whisker. Well, I want to get a better look at this real quick. Let's get a better look at that. So, there's an America engine over there. There's an America engine right there. Celebrating 250 years of the country. And I hope that's on EDAY. That would actually be really cool to hold on. Then those two engines. It's 4:08. We're gonna stay here until 4:15. The Amtrak is running late today, so I saw on the map that it was 3:50 when it was coming to Springfield. Also, they I think got some new rails right here. Also got some new rails right there. And alright. Stay tuned. Alright, we're here waiting by here. Magic Wings. 2 electrical bells. I don't know what that thing is, but we'll find out when it comes. I'm staying right here. I'm waiting until I see the light and then I'll run back over to my dad. I think I was sitting here last time because it was easier to. I'm talking to you, your dad.
Okay.
It was easier to see right here because, yeah, you can see how all the leaves and stuff, and yeah, like the leaves were off. So, let's wait. Hold on, guys. I think I heard the horn. I think so. I'm just gonna wait until I see the light. Okay. I promise, Daddy. I'll be careful. I think I heard the horn, though. It was very hard to hear, but I think I heard it. Zoom in to 11. It's easier if I do this because I gotta run back and I just want to look at it in person. So, oh, I see the light. I see the light. I see the light. I see the light, Mama.
Back over here, buddy. I don't want to be anywhere near the tracks, okay? But you can back up a little bit more, Charlie. You stand right here. Back up like I want to get like right here.
It's gonna go flying by, I guess.
Yeah. Stay over here.
There it goes. Wait. Yep. That was pretty neat. Stay tuned for EDAY tomorrow. That thing really didn't do anything. Comment down below, guys, what this thing does, because I have no idea. Let's just see it go around the corner real quick. It's hard to see it. Yep, there it goes. There it goes. Waves at that. Yep. The other trains. I got the horn right now. Guys, like there must be MOED. This train stopped. Must be MOED right there. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow.